Hi guys, in this video we're going to check out 3 awesome spinners. Well guys, the fidget spinners you're going to be checking out today are going to be the price range from $18 to $45. Not as high as some fidget spinners I've seen which have been around $1,000. That's crazy. Now check out links in the description below if you want to pick up one of these bad boys. Now 2 of these fidget spinners have very unique features that I like and I can't wait to show you. So let's cut the small talk and let's get right down to the product. Now first up is the Ice Spin Bones and Skulls spinner. This spinner will cost you around $18. It's all metal. I like the shiny look with the light. And let's see what else. It comes with a nice little travel pouch. Not bad. Now this spinner will spin for spin time is 4 to 6 minutes. This is not bad. It's well balanced. I like the look. Nice, smooth, and not, you can hear a little humming but not as noisy. Pretty nice. Bones and Skull. Alright, next up is the Ice Spin S. Now this spinner has a very unique feature. This is the packaging is wood, which is not bad. Seems to be wood. I might be mistaken. Now this Ice Spin S. Let's take a look, and it should be, yep, another pouch. It looks like you got some little manuals telling you how to break it down. Now I really like the color, the black and red. This spinner is actually the quietest. I'm sure you guys, you can't hear anything probably, or a slight, very faint hum. Very balanced. Oh man, almost went on my hand. Very balanced. Now the unique feature about this spinner here will spin for roughly 3 to 5 minutes horizontal. That goes into its unique feature. It can also spin vertical. Now it will spin vertical for about 1 to 2 minutes, which is not bad. Now it can do this with some I don't know if you guys can see the actual little grooves it has at the ends. You can hold your finger and it spins. Now you can put it on the table and spin, but I find it wobbles if it's spinning too fast. Now this spinner will run you roughly $40. It's kind of high, but I like the little unique feature. And the last but not least, it's the folks at We Fidget, the Revoke. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Now this spinner is a multi-fidget tool in one. Let's see, it has these 2 balls we can just click on. It has like switches on each side with different level of sensitivity. So some are lighter, easy to switch, and then some are much stiffer. So in case, you know, maybe you're used to it, a pen, you can just. Now the grooves, these little bumps here are supposed to massage your fingers, go figure. And this little bump right here is supposed to be when you're meditating, supposed to help when you're meditating, go figure. Now this groove, I don't know if I believe it's a smooth stone or whatever it's called, where the indentation for your finger where it helps you to relax more. So they really well thought out spinner. Very heavy, but the spin time is crazy. You can get roughly 4 to 6 minutes or even 7 minutes on a spin. Very quiet, very balanced. This is my favorite. This little baby right here. All right, now let's check out the spin time for all. Now I'm gonna start out with the one with the longest spin time, which will be the revolt. Then I'm gonna end with the I spin S because it has a shorter spin time. Right? Might be here a while. But since I have the time, just to give you guys heads up, we give away PSN and Xbox code to one active follower on a Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus every Friday. And this month we're giving away $70 PSN code to a YouTube subscriber. And we're planning to give away PSN and Xbox code when we go live. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. All right, everybody's looking nice and strong. All right, 2 minutes should be easy for everyone. Let's see. All right, I spin S looks like it's starting to crank out. I mean, the spin time is 3 to 5 minutes, so looks like we're gonna get two. Definitely get 2 minutes. Also, a note: the I spin S, you can actually unscrew. You can loose it up, and you can take off. Maybe you only want like 3 attachment, however you like it. That's the one thing you can actually do. These you cannot. They're just as is. All right, coming on 3 minutes. Definitely going to get 3 minutes. It's going to be 3 minutes plus for the I spin S. We get like 320. Gotta take in a refreshing beverage. Mm-hmm. Hey, we might get 330. Might actually go to, can I go to 4 minutes? Oh, still moving, still moving, still up. Oh, not bad. 4 minutes. 4 minutes for the I spin, roughly around 4 minutes. Now I'm expecting the bones and skulls to actually stop. The I spin time 4 to 6 minutes. It's probably gonna go to 5. With any of these spinners, you won't be disappointed. Considering that, this is the cheapest one. Got 5 minutes. Nice. Like you might get 520. Nah, I don't think it's gonna make 520. All right, pretty much 514. That's my baby there. Still going. Kind of like me. Man, look at her go. We come close to 6 minutes. We'll see if we get 6 minutes. Going, 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 going. And even when it's this slow, it even looks like it just keeps going. Somehow it just always finds a way to go get a little bit more spin. And when it stops, you see it has a little, it bounces back. You got past 6 minutes. Look at it. It's just like it just finds a way to just give it extra little look. Uh, ooh, look at that. 316. I mean, my fault. 6. Leave a comment down below stating what's your favorite fidget spinner. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And be active to enter our weekly PSN Xbox code giveaway. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos on dope gadgets. This month we're giving away $70 PSN Xbox code to a YouTube subscriber. Make sure to watch the video on details on how to enter that giveaway. Thank you for watching.